Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Installing Odoo 18 and setting up a development environment in PyCharm involves several steps, including setting up the necessary dependencies, configuring the database, and creating a new Odoo project. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. ## prerequisites. 1. Python 3.8 or higher. Odoo 18 requires Python 3.8 or above. 2. PostgreSQL. Odoo uses PostgreSQL as its database management system. 3. Pip, the package installer for Python. 4. Node.js and npm, required for asset compilation. 5. PyCharm, an IDE for Python development. Step 1, install dependencies. ###1.1 update the system. For Ubuntu, you can run the following commands. Bash. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt upgrade. ###1.2 install required packages. Run the following commands to install required packages. Bash. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip Python 3 devlib xml 2 devlib xload 1 devslib 1 g devlib sysl 2 devlib ludup 2 dev build essential. Sudo apt install postgresql server dev all. Sudo apt install npm. ###1.3 install okatmtopf. Odoo uses okatmtopf for generating PDF reports. Install it with bash. Sudo apt install okatmtopf. Step 2, set up PostgreSQL. 1. Create a PostgreSQL user. Bash. Sudo u postgres create user created username postgres put prompt odoo_user. 2. Create a database. Log into PostgreSQL. Bash. Sudo u postgres psql. Then create a database. SQL. Create database odoo_db with owner odoo_user. Exit PostgreSQL. SQL. \q. Step 3, install Odoo 18. ### 3.1 clone Odoo from GitHub. Go to your desired directory and clone the Odoo repository. Bash. Git clone https://github.com/odoo/odoo.git branch 18.0 depth 1. cd odoo. ### 3.2 install Python packages. Create a virtual environment and activate it. Bash. Python 3 mvenv odoovenv. Source odoovenv/bin/activate. Install the required packages. Bash. Pip install our requirements.txt. Step 4, configure Odoo. 1. Create a configuration file. Create a configuration file named odoo.conf. Bash. Touch odoo.conf. Mod 640 odoo.conf. Open it in your text editor and add the following. INI. Options. This is the password that allows database operations. Admin_password equals admin. DB_host equals false. DB_port equals false. DB_user equals odoo_user. DB_password equals your_password_here. Addons_path equals addons. Log file equals /var/log/odoo/odoo.log. Make sure to replace your _password_ here with the password you set for odoo_user. Step 5, run Odoo. To run Odoo, execute the following command. bash /odoo odoo.conf. You should see odoo starting up and listening on localhost 8069. #### Step 6, set up pycharm. 1. Open pycharm and create a new project using the odoo directory. 2. Configure interpreter. Go to File Settings Project, your project name Python interpreter. Click on the gear icon and select Add. Choose existing environment and select the odoo/bin/python interpreter. 3. Set up run/debug configuration. Go to Run Edit Configurations. Click on the plus icon and select Python. Name it Run Odoo. Set the script path to the odoo bin file. Add the following parameters in the parameters section, see odoo.conf. Set the working directory to the odoo directory. #### Step 7, develop with odoo. 1. Create a custom module. Inside the add-ons directory, create a new folder for your module. Create an __init__.py file and an __manifest__.py file in your module directory. Example __manifest__.py. Python. Name, my custom module. Version, 1.0. Depends, base. Data. Installable, true. Application, true. To develop your module. Write your Python code in the module folder. Use the models and views folders to structure your module. #### Example code. Here's a simple example of a model in your custom module. Python. From odoo import models, fields. Class myModel, models.model. _name equals my.model. _description equals my custom model. Name equals fields.char, string equals name, required equals true. Description equals fields.text, string equals description. Step 8, run your module. 1. Restart odoo from pycharm. 2. Go to the odoo web interface at http://localhost 8069. 3. Update the app list and install your custom module. Conclusion. You have successfully set up odoo 18 for development using pycharm. You can now start building your custom modules and applications. Make sure to explore the odoo documentation for more in-depth tutorials and examples. Additional tips. Regularly commit your changes to version control, example git. Refer to the odoo developer documentation, https://www.odoo.com/documentation/18.0/developer.html, for more advanced topics. Use pycharm's built-in tools for debugging and testing your odoo applications. This tutorial should give you a solid foundation to start developing with odoo 18. Happy coding!